Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Visual Studio 2022 with data tools and the Ssis extension, plus access to a SQL Server instance. Once verified, open Visual Studio, choose Create New Project, and select Integration Services Project. Name the project and default package logically so you can track extracts and loads. Make sure connection credentials are at hand. Without them, you cannot test. This step moves you from setup into active design quickly, letting you add data flow tasks and connections right away. Now focus on building control flow and the core data flow. Add connection managers for your source and destination. Include file adapters if needed. Drag a data flow task into control flow, then wire execute SQL tasks or precedence constraints to orchestrate order. Open the data flow designer, place the source component, then add required transforms, lookup, derived column, and conditional split. Configure error outputs and mappings carefully. This ensures rows that fail transformation are captured and handled rather than lost. Finish by configuring parameters, environments, and logging before deployment. Set the package protection level appropriate for your secrets, then build the project and deploy to the Ssis catalog on your SQL Server instance. Run the package from the catalog to validate and monitor execution. Review execution reports for performance metrics and row counts. If something fails, first check the execution log, then inspect data type mismatches, connection string errors, and protection level blocking sensitive values. Fixing one of those usually resolves most deployment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.